What do you do when the government detain you but will not give you the option for a bond hearing? What do you do when ICE detain your loved one indefinitely without explaining why? In 2025, immigration enforcement has reached an all-time high, and many people feel like they've lost their voice. But we don't just give up. We find other ways and we continue to fight. We go directly to the federal government and file a habeas corpus. It's a secret weapon in the US Constitution that most people don't know about. I'm Karen Nguyen, and today I'm going to show you how habeas are saving families from unlawful detention right now. Welcome back. At the Law Office of Karen Nguyen, we are immigrants helping immigrants. We've seen fear in our community lately. With the expansion of the mandatory detention and new enforcement policies in 2025, the detention is more crowded than ever. People are being unlawfully detained for months without a clear timeline of returning home or reuniting with their family. This is where we step in. We don't just wait for the system to move. We force it to move using federal law. What is habeas corpus? Think of it as a way to challenge a detention through the legal system. It is a petition filed in federal district court, not immigration court. You are telling the federal judge, the government is detaining this person illegally, and they must justify it or let them go. In 2025, we use this when ICE ignores their own rule or when detention becomes unreasonably long. So why is it so critical right now? Especially here in Texas, we're seeing a massive wave of people being detained for way too long. In 2025, if you didn't enter the country with a visa or through a legal port, the immigration judge cannot give you a bond. But here's the truth. The Constitution still protects you. You have a right to due process, which is just a legal way of saying the government has to follow the law. How do you know if your loved one needs a habeas petition? They have an illegal entry but may meet bond conditions. They were re-detained after being released on supervision. They have a prolonged detention of maybe more than 6 months without a bond hearing. They have a medical condition that ICE is ignoring. If any of this apply, the clock is ticking. You need a team that knows how to fight in federal court. Don't let the government tell you that you have no rights. At the Law Office of Karen Nguyen, we believe in accountability. We are an all-female, immigrant-led team, and we know exactly what's at stake for your family. If your loved one is in the detention and the system has stalled, call us today at 817-330-9734. Let's bring them home.